So shall we start? What is the plan now? We have all of you here. बस मुझे शांति से आप बैठ जाइए. Thank you so much. That's great.
Yes, good afternoon. Sorry, I'm 5-10 minutes late.
You're always late and we always exempt too, sir.
No, I am in the meeting at present also, but just I've asked my officers to excuse me for 10 minutes.
So shall I start, sir?
Yes, yes. Within 10 minutes, we will finish off.
Done, sir. Done, sir. No problem. So
Quick introduction.
Very good afternoon to all of you and warm welcome on behalf of Medscape India and We Doctors campaign, which is working for the COVID-19 since 8 months. So I call upon special welcome to Shri Rajesh Tope, Honorable Minister, Public Health and Guardian Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Amit Deshmukh, Honorable Minister of Maharashtra, Medical Education, Dr. Pradeep Vyas, Health Secretary, Maharashtra, Shri Saurabh Vijay, Secretary of Medical Education and Drug Department of Maharashtra, Dr. T.P. Lahane, Directorate of Medical Education Research, Dean and Collectors of Akola and Jalgaon, and all the Dean who's right now from different already where we have completed our installation. And of course, Dr. Sandeep, Mr. Sumit, and the entire We Doctor Tele ICU team. So this is like, sir, already we know this is a volunteer campaign which is going on with you and it was a great support which you have given. So let's start, I think, with the Akola itself. And is that Akola doctor is here? Amrita, sit here. So from Akola, who's there?
Solapur,
Yeah, right now we are inaugurating, sir, Akola in Jalgaon.
Okay.
So,
Akola collector, I think collector Akola is there.
So Tele ICU basically is reduce almost 50% death rate since we are here. And I think I should congratulate you, Honorable Health Minister, for doing fantastic work in COVID, reducing all the kind of all the kind of support was required which you have given. It was fantastic which we had it. Of course, we started first with the Vivendi where we had started with 20 bedded. Then later on, we had a Solapur, Jalna, Aurangabad, where 100 beds are operational now. And today we are launching almost 58 bed, which is a phase 3 Akola Jalgaon. Until now, we have already installed 178 bed. Total lives was saved 396 and more than 50% death is reduced because of this entire program. So I would like to, it all could happen because sir, it was all collective effort which we have put it as a Maharashtra state from the doctors and the district hospital and all the people have played a big role. So I just call quickly Dr. Sandeep to just give a little, insight of it, how the entire state is doing. Dr. Sandeep.
Good afternoon, Mr. Tope. How are you, sir? This is
Dr.
Sandeep Diwan.
Yes, welcome Diwan ji.
How are you, sir?
Sab theek chal raha hai, all good.
Congratulations.
Our cases are reducing nowadays.
Congratulations, we are finishing the last phase. All good, sir. You are relieved. So till now, in all the 4 tele ICUs, all districts, we are covering 125 EICU beds. And I will just tell you that approximately 50% reduction in the mortality, particularly only for severe cases. We are talking only for severe cases in the ICU. And more than 50% improvement in the discharges has already been documented. And I will, if you can send me the email IDs of the relative departments, we have already sent it to Dr. Dubey. I will send it to everybody. This is all the clinical data that we have generated. And this is the case fatality ratios. Extremely good bond, homie, between the critical care teams at command center and the tele ICU teams at all the 4 sites, Bhiwandi, Jalna, Sholapur, and Aurangabad. Daily, at least 3 rounds are happening as requested by the teams in the last meeting, and 24/7 con call cover is happening. And at sometimes for one patient, we are taking 7 rounds also, depending on what the need of the patient is. Particularly जो ventilated patients हैं, जो critical patients. Nurses from the command center are constantly helping the nurses at the tele ICUs, smaller ICUs, and more importantly, sir, training of the doctors and nurses. I must thank Maharashtra has given extremely good equipment to all these tele ICUs, all the ICUs. Newer machines are there, newer ventilators are there. We have personally trained them, the doctors and the nurses, on the ventilators and the NIV machines that have reached there. And they are becoming more and more confident in basic concepts of critical care. So yes, it's been a successful progress. We are hoping to continue this progress with your blessings. We are hoping to continue it beyond 3 months and continue it for the betterment of the healthcare of all the people. With that, I will request that today teams Akola and Jalgaon, because it is their day, to start doing the initiatives. Thank you, sir.
So thank you, Dr. Sandeep, for great job. And now I call upon Dr. K.S. Ghorpade of Government of Medical College and Hospital, Akola, to take over. Dr. Ghorpade. So is it
Dr. Ghorpade मला दिसत नाहीये तिथे चेअरवर. अकोला.
Dr. Marsha, yeah. We can have Dr. Mahashab also. He can show the ICU. In case it's taking time, we can take him also to show the entire setup which is being done. Okay. So I think it's like maybe some network issue we are facing, maybe, could be. So we can go, sir. I think we'll go to other the hospital to Jalgaon. Meantime,
yes.
हाँ तो हे कौन है? Sorry, Jalgaon. Oh, that's
Madam,
great.
Madam,
So I call yes. I call upon Dr. Ramanand, Dean of Government of Medical College and Hospital, Jalgaon.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, and how's everything is going on at your end?
Yeah. Everything is going on very smoothly at our end. Sir, namaskar. Sir, namaskar. नमस्कार सर. डॉक्टर रामानंद डीन जीएमसी जळगाव बोलतो सर. सर आमच्या इकडचे टेली आयसीयू संदर्भात सर्व तयारी पूर्ण झालेली आहे. एव्हरीथिंग इज नाउ रेडी. आय विल जस्ट सर ब्रीफ यू अबाउट दिस हॉस्पिटल अँड मेडिकल कॉलेज. दिस इज अ न्यू medical college. Our first batch is in second year now. And when COVID came, our hospital in a sense was not ready because it was a new medical college with no PG students, no interns. But over a period of 4 months, we have been able to ramp up the facilities at GMC Jalgaon. From a 10-bedded ICU, we have now gone to 55-bedded ICU. We had 200 beds, which have now increased to 356, and all the 356 beds have now piped oxygen. Okay. Besides that, our CFR, case fatality rate, which was
तो राजेश टोपे, मी इथे पॅनलवर आहे ना कोविडच्या.
Okay. Yeah. So
case fatality rate, which was 9.38 on 13th June, has now come down to 2.41 for the district and for the institute. From 25.65 on 13th June, it has now come down drastically to 14.59.
So, Doctor, thank you so much. It was so fantastic. Dr. Umesh Jadhav is there too. He can show us the ICU setup.
Yeah.
And fire suit for later.
Dr. Umesh Jadhav is there online right now.
Yeah. He's there in the ICU. He'll join us shortly.
Okay. Tope sir, if you can just check it out, the Akola site.
हो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंट्रोल सांगा सुरू झालं.
ड्रॅगन फ्रूट
हॅलो मॅडम, डॉक्टर घोरपडे here.
Yes, sir.
उपस्थित सर्वांचं मी स्वागत करतोय. शासकीय वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालय अकोला येथे जेव्हापासून हा पॅन्डेमिक सुरू झाला तेव्हापासून नंबर ऑफ केसेस सुरुवातीला जास्त होत्या. त्यानंतर मधल्या 2 महिन्याच्या काळामध्ये केसेस कमी राहिल्या, नंतर परत वाढल्या. याच्यामध्ये जुलै पर्यंत आपल्या इथे अकोल्याला डेथ ह्या जास्त होत्या ऍज कम्पेअर्ड टू नंबर ऑफ केसेस. त्यानंतर ऑगस्ट आणि सप्टेंबर मध्ये ह्या केसेस कमी झाल्या, डेथ रेट कमी झाला आणि त्यासोबतच आपल्या आयसीयू चा रिक्वायरमेंट सुद्धा कमी झाला. आपल्याकडे 60 बेडचा आयसीयू आहे, परंतु आपण सध्या 32 बेड वरती काम चालवतो आहे आणि त्यामध्ये आपल्याकडे व्हेंटिलेटर्स पूर्ण उपलब्ध आहेत. पण 32 बेडच्या आयसीयू मध्ये आपण आपलं मॅनेजमेंट करतो आहे. सध्या या रुग्णालयामध्ये एकूण जवळपास 450 बेड उपलब्ध आहेत आणि त्यापैकी 350 बेडला ऑक्सिजन उपलब्ध आहे आणि त्यासोबतच आपला डेथ रेट सध्या कमी आहे. तसा पाहिला तर बाकी महाराष्ट्रातील इतर वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालयाच्या दृष्टिकोनातून विचार करता शासकीय वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालय अकोला इथला डेथ रेट तसा कमी आहे. परंतु जिल्ह्याचा विचार करता या ठिकाणी 3 जिल्ह्यातील रुग्ण येतात. अकोला, वाशिम, बुलढाणा या ठिकाणचे रुग्ण या ठिकाणी रेफर होत असल्या कारणाने आपल्या इथे हॉस्पिटलचा डेथ रेट हा थोडा जास्त आहे आणि त्यासाठी मला वाटतं या टेली आयसीयूचा नक्की फायदा होईल.
So thank you so much, Dr. Ghorpade. I would like to call Dr. Mahashaf, who can show us the ICU installation which has done.
Just let you.
Yeah. I think even he is also logged in for the same.
Hello, good morning everyone.
Yes.
I don't know
Madhura,
whether I'm available or not with all the PPE kit.
Yeah, but we cannot see you. On your video, I think, madam, you have just, we can see your name, but we cannot see you actually. Yes, perfect. So you can just, yes.
32 bedded ICU here. All beds are equipped with ventilators and we have installed the tele ICU monitors. 2 monitors have been installed here. And we are giving them the data to the Gurgaon center so that we get a call from them for rounds. We are planning at least 2 rounds per day at the moment. And once we get used to the system, we'll do 3 rounds per day. And it will definitely help the critical patients. We have quite a few critical patients with comorbid conditions coming in from the different districts around. So the tele ICU, we are hoping that the tele ICU will definitely help us in treating these patients and reduce the morbidity and the mortality of these patients.
Okay, great. So you can take a round and show us, doctor. हाँ, एक आतमध्ये आम्हाला सगळं कॅमेरा फिरवून दाखवा आम्हाला.
I'll say the connectivity is the problem a bit.
Okay.
We are handling at the moment with ventilators. We have quite a few.
Okay. So I think because it's just launched, so training part will be, I think, still to be done. So Dr. Sandeep, please see to it that all are trained and they are able to save more lives the way we have done in the all other districts. So proactively, we have to help them out to get used to this technology.
we leave her.
Okay, great. So I think, yes, I think everybody is able to see what madam is showing. She's showing the computer and how the connectivity, how the technology is using. Anybody you're taking around right now, or any patient, how you're taking that? round, can you explain, ma'am? Yeah. So, Tope sir, what to do now? Shall we?
Now I wish I should speak for a minute and then we will declare it inaugurated.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay.
So good afternoon, Dr. Diwan, Dr. Dubey, and all the collectors and even the deans, those who have joined on the virtual inaugural function of this tele-ICU. At the outset, let me take this opportunity to congratulate We Doctor campaign and Medscape India, which is especially on their CSR. They are catering the need of proper consultation, which is required for all the critical patients in the ICU. So at present, the Medscape India is rendering this service to at least 6 of the districts in Maharashtra, and the service, the consultation which is being given is really very much useful, and that has really reduced the rate of CFR, case fatality rate, and that is the main objective and the goal behind this tele-ICU. So this is I think a boon for our generation that we are able to get the best of the advice from thousands and thousands of kilometers to the remotest place of Maharashtra or any place in the country. So we are very much fortunate to have such type of technologies. At this moment, I wish that all the deans, Mr. Ghorpade, Dr. Ghorpade, Dr. Ramananji, I think you should take the utmost use of this technology and to have a advice or consultation in any of the issues related for the treatment. Other than like the state task force is also there to advise you, to guide you, but still this will be an added advantage, and that will help you to be more confident, and your team there working at the field level will also be more confident to resolve their small issues and to even raise any of the points which they face in the entire day while treating the patient. Akola is one of the point of concern is as Dr. Ghorpade has rightly told, but as the catchment area for Akola hospital is from the nearby districts also, so the fatality rate is 3.2, which is more than the state average. So that is a point of concern, and so I think this tele-ICU should address this CFR issue, and henceforth should whatever, like our Prime Minister Honorable Modi ji, also our Honorable CM Mr. Uddhav ji Thackeray ji, also we all wish that the CFR rate should be less than 1%. So this technology and the best of the advices from the team of doctors and We Doctor campaign, this advice should make it happen. Second point is also we need to properly counsel and also need to advise all the doctors, treating doctors, the rational use of remdesivir. I think it is being used very oftenly. Even the patients are now demanding remdesivir. So such level, this remdesivir use is being witnessed. So proper nursing care, supportive care, which is required in the ICU, should also be properly monitored. Whatever capacity building, the treatment, the training of the nurses, paramedics, even the residential doctors, which are required, also can this technology can take care of that issue also. So I think apart from the treatment protocol, even the training part, even addressing to the smallest of the issues, this technology and the platform which is being used and also it has been served by Medscape, I think should be should be used to the fullest. So I wish that this should be expanded. I have always been telling to Dr. Sunita that we wish not to keep this tele ICU service only to the 6 districts, but also we want to expand it to the entire Maharashtra, pan Maharashtra. That is, we want to add in 30 more districts. So that will be taken care by Government of Maharashtra, and even Honorable CM is very much convinced that this should be expanded. I have always been speaking to him and to all of the officials in the Maharashtra that we have to expand this. So whatever the cost which is required for the cameras and for the technologies to take to the remotest place, and even lot many private doctors also has the private team of doctors which are from different hospitals like trust hospitals and the private hospitals. So they have also come up with that they can serve freely. They can give advices and they can give services freely. Just what we have to do is we have to arrange the facility. So to address the issue or challenge of dearth of doctors, this platform or technology is very much useful. So whatever Dr. Sunita is, whatever budget which is required for every district, I think Medscape and Government of Maharashtra Health Department should work together to find out the price, to figure out the price, and to make a proper decision and to implement it at the earliest. So that is what I can speak on this occasion. I wish that this should work smoothly. Dr. Diwan has told in his introductory speech that 3 rounds are being taken, and so I think the reviews are of every patient is also being taken, and this is the requirement for the ICU patient. So with the team of the doctors over there, those are really very professional doctors and also highly experienced, highly qualified, because these 2 hospitals, they have lot of professors, associate professors, these hospitals, Jalgaon and Akola, are hospitals attached to the medical college. So I think that the best brains are also available there, but still this advice also will supplement or add to the health services which are required over there. So wish that the CFR rate should fall down or should come down below 1%. That only I can wish on this occasion, and I declare this inaugurated and open for the operations from today itself. And I once again take this opportunity to thank Medscape and We Doctor campaign, Dr. Sunita, Dr. Diwan, and all the deans, even the collectors, those who have joined. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. It was really insightful, and really congratulate all of you for making it. And I think it's all the most last moment it has happened. So a bit of unorganized, but of course it's going to. Dr. Wali, you are there?
Yes, I'm there.
So now
Welcome.
Dr. Wali
Vote
is
of
Padma
thanks.
Shri in Kaya. Vote of thanks. Sir, आपने बोला 10 मिनट तो हम लोगों ने और भी short कर दिया. So I think we don't have better than Dr. Wali who can cheer up in this situation. So Dr. Wali is Padma Shri, cardiologist, heading the Delhi We Doctor. And we have a lot of doctor already in this program also from We Doctor. They're watching and feeling happy. Even Akola was quite proactive to help us out, and quite great spirit. We saw teamwork is going on, and definitely we are going to reduce the death rate at our possible way. And sir, it was tell you sir, to Tope sir, we had a great time working with you. The such leadership you shown, the way you have taken the step aggressively to fight this whole situation. It was fantastic. Dr. Wali, we can close down as soon as possible. Please, your time.
Thank you, Sunita ji. Sunita ji, you have become a star by now. And I could see yesterday you were in Delhi and you immediately reached to Bombay and organized this event. This speaks a tremendous dynamism at your end. And your team, you see, without team we cannot work. So I'm also part of this team, and I'm very fortunate to be with your company of Honorable Mr. Rajesh Tope. And Mr. Rajesh Tope seems to be very clear about the concept of what you are doing. And he is viewing this for a future project, and he is ready to sanction funds. But I want to appreciate, he just said one very good technical point, that what you are doing is a supplement to what is the existing arrangement. This is a big statement which he has just now made, and on this statement the Koel also witnessed from the God side. The Koel was giving a music to when he was speaking this sentence. And what I am going to add to this is, it will be example for the whole country, and sooner or later we will hear that WHO is appreciating like Dharavi this effort, because telemedicine has to come in a big way, and we have seen it in Dharavi. And the second big statement which our Honorable Rajesh Topeji has made, that we will take it to the remotest places. Actually, we need this facility to go to remotest place, and Maharashtra can connect it because they have good network. All the owners of the networks remain nearby you, and so you can motivate them to provide good network. Then you said good thing about team of doctors, especially at Jalgaon and Akola. And you made another good statement, which I am proud of Indian doctors. I told last time also that we have the best brains. You just said it. And we have the best brains. Really, we have the best brains, and Maharashtra doctors are having more exposure to the international work going on. And that is why they are first to know what is happening around the world. And we keep learning from Bombay, Maharashtra doctors in Delhi, because your doctors learn it faster, your doctors and also doctors in South are exposed faster. And we were very happy when we heard that our Indian doctors did the first lung transplant in United States. We were very proud, they made the country proud. And also the further lung transplant in India were also done. So this was very good thing happening around. And Sunita ji, all your efforts combined, I would thank Mr. Rajesh Topeji to join our team. And you are our mentor. You are not team actually. You are our guide, you are mentor, you are head, and you are doing good thing. Yesterday, Sunita ji got hold of Kiran Rijiju ji, and he was part of We the Doctors, and he was also honored. Also, Dr. Harshvardhan was honored. You would be very delighted to know. that she's running Side by Side Fit India campaign, which is our own brainchild, and we gave it to the nation. We gave it to the nation. Our Medscape gave it to the nation, and nation is taking advantage of Fit India. And very nice things are happening. And thank you everything. Thank you Rashmi ji. Thank you Rodni ji. And thank you Sunita ji once more, and your team, your dynamic team. And I'm always proud to be part of your team. And Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Dr. Sir, Wali sir, thank you so much for all your lovely words. Tope sir, thank you so much. And whoever, all of you from the Medscape, from the other association, organization, thank you so much for insightful time and this thing. Thank you so much, Tope sir. Thank you so much. So we all should leave because I know sir wants to go. Bye. Thank you so much. So let's leave this entire meeting. Thank you everybody for giving time. And it's all actually, it was supposed to happen yesterday. And I was traveling, so it happened today. But I think overall, I congratulate Akola. I congratulate, Jalgaon and all the people for who are part of it. Sumit and also Sandeep ji, everybody who is constantly trying to help Tele-ISU team to help our state. Thank you so much, and Jai Hind, Namaste, Jai Maharashtra. Sir, thank you so much. Kindly all of you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Wali sir, thank you so much.